Hey everyone, how are you? It's your girl Brinny. Right now I want to talk about fabulous woman. What makes a woman fabulous? It can go in so many directions you just don't know. So I'm going to tell you how I fit into this category. What makes me a fabulous woman? The fact that I work a 9 to 5 every day and I pay my own bills. I have a substantial job. Anything that a dude does for me, it's a plus because I know that me primarily, I got myself. I have 2 kids and I take care of them. I have a lot of help, but I'm their primary caregiver and I'm so proud of myself for that. I was young when I had my first child, but I learned as the years went by. You know, I'm a genuine person. I try to help out with different charities, you know, because a lot of people need help. Just anything that I do positive in my life, it makes me a fabulous woman. Whether it's going to go get my hair done or my nails done, or, you know, going to the library, reading to young children, going to the hospital, checking in on the sick and the shut-in. You know, that's what makes me a fabulous person. I don't need anyone to compliment me because I know my character compliments itself. I was in this relationship with this guy for 10 years and I love this man. God knows that I did. And within when that 10th year came, I found out that he was cheating on me. And it hurt me so bad. I was like so destroyed. I still tried to work it out with him. And I kept saying, I know my worth, I know my worth. But I didn't want to be with anybody but him because I loved him that much. You know, but then as time started to roll, you know, things started to get worse. So I felt like, you know, I need to just leave him. But by me leaving him, I knew that I wanted another man to enter into my life. And another man did enter into my life, but after a year passed with that guy, I noticed the same patterns of my ex. And once again, I did not know my worth. So now I'm single, and I know my worth because I'm not with anyone, and I know that I don't need anyone to validate who I am. It's kind of hard, but at the end of the day, I do a lot of things to keep myself busy and take my mind away from it because I know that when someone comes along, I know that they're going to be the right one for me because I'm taking my time. You know, so like I said before, I do a lot of things to keep myself preoccupied so that I can stay in that category of being a fabulous woman. It doesn't matter what it is that you do. As long as you feel comfortable within yourself, then you're good to go. So I'm not only saying this about myself, but I'm saying this to a lot of females out there who need to hear it. Okay? I've been broken down. I've even walked on broken pieces. I carried a smile for God knows how long, and I'm still carrying a smile because a lot of times things aren't easy. But you have to find an outlet for yourself. You know, and that's how you keep striving. You know, of course you have to build, you know, that bond, you know, with God, but you know, you build that bond being around other people who share on a positive perspective like you. You know, you can't let all of the negative things overtake the things that you do. You know, so whatever it is that you do that makes you successful, it makes you a fabulous woman. Thank you for listening.